Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Now, these are another one of my outbursting of my Gonher, and this is called their Cowboy Collection. They've got like 6 guns. We've got about 3 in here that we're going to show you, but this is the first one. And these are just their Cowboy Collection. And this one is the 88, the number 88. Okay, it's just 0088. And it's just a typical cowboy style gun. And it's not the full replica size. It's really great for kids. Okay, this is just it's an 8 shooter. Okay, and what's really cool, this is all die cast. And look at the engraving in this thing. It's quality. Okay, it's very quality. Now watch what happens here. Look at this. And this is what kids love to do. This is an 8 shot. You can get 8 shots, okay? And this is solid die cast plastic grips. Now listen here, Pilgrim. That's why people buy Gonher guns and Paris manufacturing, because they're die cast. They're not cheap. And these are made in Spain. They're not made in China, they're made in Spain. Okay? So if this can be made in Spain, a lot of other things can be made in Spain. And a lot of other things can be made in the United States. If you can't make this gun in the United States or something similar to this, you've got issues. This is about as simple as you can get. Get a bunch of grandmothers in Tennessee or Ohio, Southern Ohio, get them all around a table and have them build guns all day long. This is the 0088 Western Cowboy Collection die-cast gun by Gonher. And these are along with the other 15, 20 guns that we have at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com, and this is an 8-shot gun. Okay, and then they have 12 shots and everything. But this is ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. But